Take your bridge inspections to the next level. Part of Builterra's civil engineering ecosystem includes extensive structural inspection and reporting, elevating your workflow to bridge the gap between efficiency and performance. The Ontario Structure Inspection Manual is a Canadian standard in biannual bridge inspection for civil engineers throughout Canada. This report contains the complete bridge inspection history and geographic location. Let's take a look at how Builterra is used to perform critical workflows to effectively capture bridge element conditions, add photos, and any markups that would augment the inspection report and BCI calculations. You can easily use Builterra's bridge inspection workflow by creating an online geolocated project, load historic bridge element data, use the mobile app for element data editing and photo capturing while in the field. The Bridge Condition Index report is then created based on elements in need of repair, and the associated costs of that repair are tabulated accordingly. You will then review the results using Builterra's web portal, and finally, generate the appropriate OSIM and BCI reports in Word or PDF, which can then be emailed to any stakeholder. Reach out to us for more information on how Builterra can help streamline your bridge inspections.